In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Customized Cutout in CapCut PC. If you need to cut out a specific person, object, or even a custom shape from your video background, this is one of the easiest ways to do it inside CapCut on your computer. The Customized Cutout tool gives you more control than automatic cutout features, especially when you want to keep a very specific subject on screen. To get started, place your video clip onto an open track in the timeline. Once the clip is there, click directly on the video block one time to highlight it. This is important because CapCut needs the clip to be selected before it shows you the editing options connected to that video. If nothing seems to change, just make sure the clip is clearly selected in the timeline before moving on. Next, open the Custom Cutout tools. Go to the top right Properties panel and make sure you are under the Video tab. From there, click on the Cutout sub-tab. You'll see an option for Customized Cutout, and all you need to do is check the box beside it. This tells CapCut that you want to manually define the subject you want to keep, instead of relying only on a standard automatic background removal. Now it's time to select your subject. Click on the Smart Brush tool, then adjust the brush size slider in the Properties panel. Choosing the right brush size can make this much easier. A larger brush works well for broad areas, while a smaller brush helps with tighter details and edges. On the preview screen, paint directly over the person or object you want to keep. As you do this, CapCut will highlight your selection in red, which makes it easy to see exactly what is being included. If the selection grabs a little too much around the edges, switch to the Smart Eraser tool to clean things up. This is especially helpful for removing unwanted background areas and refining the outline of your subject. Take a moment here and be as precise as you need, because a cleaner selection usually gives you a better final result. Once everything looks right, click Apply. CapCut will then process your selection and trace that subject across the entire clip automatically. Depending on your clip length and computer speed, this may take a moment, so just let it finish. And that's it. Your customized cutout is now set up and ready to use in your project.